Verse 12. Therefore, rejoice, O heavens, and you who dwell in them, in the presence of God. Woe to the earth and the sea, because the devil has come down.
Woe to the earth and the sea, because the devil has come down. How were you conceived? The sea was included. The sea was included. The sea was included. What? Let God expose thee and let God deliver you today. The sea was included. The river was included. What? Why? Why? Let's clap hands for Jesus. Now you are exposing our secrets. What?
Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Keep quiet.
Why? Why?
You will take her from us.
The whole family.
You will take them from us.
Bagupi.
That will be us. Yes.
Emantini.
Yes.
Mafake emantini. In your roots. Okay. Sleep. Go on. Read there. Let God testify. Let's not allow. We won't allow the spirits to disturb the team. It must go on. As they manifest one by one, they speak. We continue. We speak. You get it, ne? As I teach, if it strikes you, is a kuluma kancane, sleep. So that we go on. Let's go. Let's go.
For they did not love their life.
They did not love their life.
And renounce their faith. Even when faced with death. Verse 12. Therefore, rejoice, O heavens.
Rejoice. Woe to the sea. Woe to the earth. Rejoice, heaven. I consecrated you. A man born from above. Rejoice, heaven. So if you are consecrated, if you are consecrated, rejoice, O heaven. Rejoice, O heavenly man. You are not born of a seed of a man. You are born of God. Born from above. Now rejoice, O heaven. Woe to the sea. Woe to the earth. Woo. Rejoice, O heaven. So a man who's born again has been transformed. Is a heavenly man. You rejoice from there. But if you are from the earth, you are from the sea. Oh earth. Oh sea. The accuser is on earth. Let's go.
Rejoice, O heavens, and you who dwell in them.
And you who dwell in. We are seated with Christ. So dwelling in heaven. Ooh. A man who's born again. Let's go.
Rejoice, O heavens, and you who dwell in them, in the presence of God.
In the presence of God. Now the audience, look at this now. You are dwelling where? In the presence of God. Jeremiah, I knew you. I consecrated you. Before you were formed in your mother's. Oh heavens. Oh. Rejoice. I mean, rejoice. Heavens. So I knew you before you were formed. Those who are seated in the presence of God. On earth, there's mermaids. On earth, there's witches. They are not from heaven.
Hayi ayibuye
They are
emazulwini.
from earth,
Sibuye emhlabeni.
where the accuser is.
Lapho kukho nommangali khona.
So you won't see the accuser physically.
Angeke uzumbone.
The accuser enters Esangoma. The accuser enters your aunt.
Angene uant wakho.
The accuser enters your uncle.
Angene nakumalume wakho ummangali. Ay. Auntie.
And they look at you
Bese bakubheka.
from a young age.
Suke buncane neba.
This child will not be like my child.
Athi lo mntwana akazufana nowami.
This child will not be like my child.
Akazukufana
It looks
nowami.
like this child will be more blessed than my children.
Uyobusiseka ukudlula bami abantwana.
Let me do something.
Ake ngenze okuthile.
Let me do something.
Ake ngenze
Let me
okuthile.
do a ritual
Ake ngenze umsebenzi othize.
to steal the star.
Ukube ngebe lenkanyezi. Hey.
Now somebody comes, we need to do umsebenzi ngiphuphile la ekhaya. Ngiphuphile abogogo bathi senze umsebenzi. Because you trust the person.
Ngoba niyamthemba lo muntu.
Awukhulumile yena vele ukhuluma. Now niyaphahla. Exchange.
Sekunoshintshiswano ke khona lapho.
What was in this family comes to this family.
Bekukulo mndeni lo sekuyashintsha kuya kulo ngale.
What? What?
Yini?
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 What?
No.
What?
Yini?
Leave us. Leave us alone. Get out.
Why?
Ngoba
No. No.
Why?
Leave us.
What have you done to this family?
wenzeni kulo mndeni?
No.
What have you done to this family?
Wenzeni kulo mndeni?
No.
What have you done?
Wenzeni?
They listen to me.
They listen to you.
Yes.
Uza namaphupho. Ukuthi mele kuhlatshwe.
Yes.
The purpose for Jesus Christ.
Shalela uNkulunkulu isandla. Jesus.
Now you go.
Manje ke uyahamba.
Umalume ukhulumile. There's an exchange.
Sekunoshintshiswano ke khona la.
Something is taken from this side, is taken to the other side.
Khona into ethathwa ngapha ifakwa ngapha.
Understand the Herod of your life.
Ondisiso Herodi bempilo yakho.
Understand the Herod of your life.
Ondisiso Herodi wempilo yakho.
So that you can live a life that makes heavens to say, rejoice, oh heaven.
Ukuze uzophila impilo eyenza amazulu athokoza amazulu.
As you are getting blessed on earth,
Usabusiseke emhlabeni.
rejoice, oh heaven.
Dithokozani mazulu.
You get a job, it's a joy in heaven.
Kuyintokozo emazulwini.
That will not be controlled by ancestral life.
Ongeke waze walawulwa ufuzo lamadlozi. Hey.
You get a job, heavens are rejoicing.
Sebenzi kuthokoza.
You start a business.
Qala ibhizinisi.
There's no ancestor coming to your dream and say, we demand blood.
Akunadlozela ize emaphusheni akho lithi lifuna igazi.
Senzela umsebenzi. Yikho ibhizinisi yakho yenzeka so. Awusenzelanga umsebenzi. Woe to the earth, woe to the sea.
Maye nina mhlaba nani lulwandle.
Rejoice, heaven.
Kodwa thokozani mazulu.
So it means it's controlled by God.
Akho kusho ukuthi kulawulwa
Because your birth
ngoba uzalo lwakho
is a heavenly birth.
uzalo lwamazulu.
Not the earthly birth,
Hayi uzalo
conception.
lomhlaba. Awukhulelwa.
I pray that Jesus helps you today.
Nakhuleka uNkulunkulu anisize namuhla.
Don't allow the demon to allow offense to rule in you. It wants you to miss your deliverance.
Ngalivumela edimoni lethu ukukhubeka lifuna ulahlekelwe ukukhululeka kwakho.
It wants you not to be delivered.
Liyalifuna ukhululeke.
So what have you done to this family?
Wenzeni kanti kulo mndeni?
I've entered and they listen to me.
Uthetheni, you know ithethe.
They are confused.
Okay.
They are confused. They go around and ask and listen. I came with my things and exchange my life with theirs.
Ubatshontshela izibusiso zabo. What's this up?
Yeah, yazami.
It's mine. It's mine.
You find one man in the family,
Thola indoda yinye nje emndenini.
very rough, very strict,
Elikhuni futhi
very
elimithetho,
controlling.
ilawula.
Kube uye kuphela ophethe imali in the whole family. Yet wenza ama ritual year after year.
Unyaka nonyaka uhamba wenza
Hayi
imisebenzi.
kunomsebenzi wozani ngiyahlamba. When you go back,
Mawubuyele emuva ke wena.
you've been aborted.
Awu,
Your
usukhuluma.
destiny has been stolen.
Ikusasa lakho selithathiwe lebiwe.
It was not a cow that you ate.
Cha bekungayona inkomo leyo
It's
buyidla.
a seed
Imbewu
to steal from you.
ukubikwebele.
Now you will see what was supposed to come to you happening emntwaneni walomuntu instead of happening kuwe.
Ayi akusenzeki ke kuwe bekungokwakho.
Now you're like, "Ay man, lo ube doctor nini ngoba yimbe ngithi ngifuna ukuba doctor." Lo muntu akazi athi ufuna ukuba doctor. Why manje wenzeni?
Kushintshiswene.
Exchange.
Ayikube noshintshiswano.
So you stole their blessings.
Webe ibusiso zabo.
Yes. Yeah. Uthixo bekanganoya ndithi yeah ngoba uyazi uyazi ukuthi nimenzele
Because he knows what I did.
angimphileli kodwa ndenza ngathi ngiphilela yena.
I don't feel for them, but I act as if I do.
Yeah.
uThixo akangibileli it means akangibusisi ngoba uyazi ukuthi ngizenza ngathi ngiphilela yena kodwa ngimphileli.
Jesus.